In this video, we explore a mysterious house hidden in the woods. Not much is known about this house, but we believe it was abandoned in 2000, or at least around that. We will also be looking at a forest full of classic vehicles just next door. I'm with Peril Photography, The Forgotten Places, this is Gray X, and I hope y'all enjoy my video. Alright, we've made it inside. Starting off in the living room here. Just a little overview of it. Got this couch. And as you can see, this place is very interesting. It gives off the weirdest vibe. It's dark and old and the decay, I don't know. Look at that. The decay in here mixed with the vibes. I don't know what it is about this place, but it's so cool. I wonder if this thing will open right here. Oh, there's spider webs all around it, and it won't open anyway. Gosh, this room is so cool. You can see where paintings were on the walls at one point. I really wish they were still there, but sadly they're not. Look at these curtains right here. And you walk in here, this might be my favorite room. Just the way it looks with everything. I don't know. I can just imagine people like eating dinner in here. And look how old this fan is. I know this thing was hitting back in the day, because it is really hot here, and I would love to feel that fan right now. This is walking back into the living room. If you walk in here, you got this little, I don't know, another little secondary living room, a den, I guess. And you see the paint fading on the roof right here. This honestly looks so cool. I love these old big TVs like this. Got the shoe on the ground. Old Pepsi glass. And then look at the way it's scrolling through the window right here. That is such an interesting look. And you know, I think this place might have been abandoned during Christmas, because as you saw down there, there's a lot of Christmas stuff in here. It's very interesting. And then look at this, the old dial-up phone. Sadly, the phone isn't connected to it, but you even got numbers still written on the wall. That is so interesting. Another photo on the wall right here. And then you got some kind of family portraits right here. And then I'm seeing this book. I want to look and see what's inside of this. I'm still trying to figure out what this is. Somebody let me know in the comments if I don't figure it out. It's just got completely random stuff in it. Not positive what this is. Yachting. This thing is random. I don't know what that's about. It's an encyclopedia?
Yeah.
Probably should have read the front of that.
That's on the side.
Got all these little knickknacks on the wall. You know it's an old house when it's got this. Can't see in there. Now, Peril told me, I did peek in here, he's found some writing all over the walls, a bunch of numbers. Oh, this is a bathroom. Look at that. And then I see something through the door here, but I don't know if I can even fit in here to show y'all. Oh, I'm gonna get destroyed by a spider. Look at that. True time capsule. I don't know what that is. Somebody let me know. Looks like toenail clippings. I know it's some type of grown food, but still, that's what it looks like. Oh gosh, it's hot in here. Hot and full of spiders. the things I do for the viewers, I guess we can look at some more of these numbers on the wall and stuff and drawings. That's really interesting. But now I think we'll be able to head into the kitchen, see what we got in here. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, back in the day in my grandma's house, we used to have a frog like this. It would hold the things to wash the dishes. This out. All types of stuff. So the last date I see on that is 2000. It doesn't necessarily mean this house was abandoned in 2000, but I don't know, that's the latest date I see. And then I see something behind this too. Yeah, definitely a grandma's time capsule for sure. And then you look at all this stuff. Got all the dishes left. The curtain has sadly fallen down. Alright, now let's look for some more. Oh my gosh. I thought there was going to be silverware in there. That's horrible. Let's look in here. Really? No forks, no spoons, nothing? I mean, there's stuff, but not that. And that's all the drawers, basically. You even got medicine in here. Look at the old Bilo symbol, old salt. Used to be a dishwasher right there, it looks like. Got the stove. The table is made. And then you got the ironing board over here. And here in a second, we're going to open this fridge. I have not seen what's in this fridge, so we're going to check it out. And just for proof, this is a grandma's kitchen, so this is a grandma's time capsule. I name like every house like this that, but it's true. Alright, let's check this fridge out. Oh, actually surprisingly not bad. Alright, will the freezer stay the same? Yeah, the freezer's not bad either, actually. Some plates on the floor in the kitchen right here. And then, oh gosh, there's still stuff in here. I guess they were cleaning this place up at one point. There's still stuff in that jug, look. Even a beanie on the door. Alright, now we're gonna go check out the back half of the house. See what we got in here. Starting with this bedroom. This bedroom stinks so bad. But look at this. Oh my gosh, it stinks so bad in here. It's amazing though. Look, a full time capsule closet. Look at the shoes on the ground. Are you kidding me? There's weights in here. Look at these clothes. Guys, I'm sorry. It is so hot in here. We just had a storm pass over. It's the hottest I felt it, pretty much, this year. Might be even hotter than that. I don't want to touch a bunch of stuff. Peril said there was vultures in here last time, chewing up everything. But as you can see, everything's destroyed in those drawers. You come right here. I think this is a hair dryer. I'm pretty positive it is. And then look at this old briefcase right here, or suitcase. This room is so old. Then you see this. Definitely a ladies' room. Let's see if this will open. Filled with even more stuff. And look at the lamp. I feel like I'm walking back into the 50s in here. It's just what it feels like. And you see all the stuff on the wall and on the ground. This place is very interesting. down this hallway. And then you're gonna see even more tinsel, ornaments. Even got the Santa boot right here. Look at that. But yeah, this is the bathroom. Simple little bathroom. But look at this old stuff left in this medicine cabinet. And then look up here. It's really, really cool, I'm not gonna lie. And then this bathtub's actually pretty wide. Look at those spider webs. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. And here's the mirror right here. Still in perfect condition. And look at that toothbrush. You know it's an old house when you see that type of toothbrush. Wow. Alright, now we'll walk back here and check out these back two rooms. Got the hanger. These rooms don't have much in them. Well, actually, let me rephrase. They have a lot in them, but they're not living spaces, as you can see. Look at all this Christmas stuff. It had to be Christmas. Is that an old TV? I think that is an old TV, actually. All the jars. You know, it was a thing back in the day to can a bunch of food. I want to see what this is real quick. Yup, it actually is a TV. But now, we'll walk back and go into this room. You can see newspaper all over the floor. Look at that. Let me know if y'all recognize anything from that if you're from this time. You got some interesting looking chairs in here. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely used to be a bed in here. You can see nature is definitely reclaiming. You know it's an old house when it's got this type of wood up here with the single light bulb. You can just tell. Another chair right here. And then you come over here. Oh, there's something gnarly right there. We're gonna get away from that actually. Old cans of paint and stuff as we walk out. Yeah, the natural decay in here is so good just from the heat getting to the paint. This place has been abandoned a very long time. This is the other back room. Looks like they attempted to board up the windows at one point. Whoa! Look at this TV. Yo, that is crazy looking. I swear, this house with the suitcases and the women's clothing, it's just giving me like a fairy tale, like Notebook vibe, like around that time. I'm not positive what these are. Something for the church, I think. And you walk back here to this closet. Look at this. Got the Dorothy shirt. What is this? Somebody let me know what that is. I don't think that's a TV. I think that's like a... You know, I'm not even going to guess because I just simply don't know. There's the attic right there. The attic's actually in good shape. Walk back out of here. More Christmas stuff, as you can see. So there's actually a train coming. So you know I got to get some good shots of that. So now we're going to go ahead and switch to the forest full of classic vehicles. As you can see, endless classic cars out here. Wow. Right next to that place too. Not all muscle either. There's some Japanese stuff here too. Old Ford van. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever filmed like a car yard before. Yeah, this is crazy. What is that thing? Whoa. Let me know what y'all's favorite car is out here. Haven't even looked at all of them yet, but... Whoa, look at that gauge. Are you kidding me?
Without permission,
yeah.
It's gonna go on.
Look at all these cars. It's sad, but it's beautiful at the same time. All the history that's here. And it just keeps going. Look at this. Look at that. It's got the save me stare. Even though they're probably... Well, maybe you could save this. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that over there. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow. A different time right here. So far, it caught my eye earlier. It just keeps going. Look at the mirror on the dash. Look at the back of this. I don't even know what this car is. I see it's something else that caught my eye. It's right here. Pretty sure I might have a toy car version of this. I'm pretty sure I do. A silver one. No idea what it is though. Just keeps going. Look at that. Up here. Look at this. It just doesn't stop. Look, there's rods and pistons on top of this car. This one still has the engine in it. What is that? Straight six? Somebody let me know. Even an old Fox body. I'm really looking for the Hudson Hornet off cars, so maybe I passed one, I'm not sure. If y'all see one, let me know for sure. The lineup is so cool right there. So if you look right here, that's an old cop car for this town. See the badge right there. That's really, really cool. Alright, that'll pretty much do it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. This was a very interesting spot for sure. Let me know what you guys thought. Check out all my friends down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.